You started your side hustle full of hope. Maybe it was content, freelancing, an online store, or Excel services. But weeks turned into months, and it's still not taking off. You're asking, why isn't it growing? Let me tell you a hard truth. It's probably not because of your skills. It's because of these 4 silent killers. Number 1, you're inconsistent. You post for 2 weeks, then disappear for 3. You get 1 rejection and pause for a month. Growth rewards consistency, not intensity. Your side hustle is like a plant. Water it daily, not dump a bucket once a month. Number 2, you're not solving a real problem. Are you just copying trends or actually helping people? People don't pay for effort. They pay for value. If your service, content, or product doesn't solve a pain point, it won't scale. No way. 3, you're afraid to market yourself. This one hurts the most. You build something useful, but hide it because you're scared of being judged. Here's the truth. If you don't talk about it, no one will even know it exists. Visibility, perfection. Number 4, you quit too early. Most side hustles need 6 to 12 months of grind before momentum kicks in. But we give up at month 3 because results don't match expectations. What if success was 2 weeks away? But you quit. Your hustle is not failing. It's just not finished. Keep showing up, learn what's not working, and adjust. Growth looks slow until it explodes. Which one are you struggling with? Let me know in the comments. And remember, this too shall grow. You got this.